picture coordinator and teachers and all my dear friends. Let us start our day with a prayer song. Friends, all join your hands and close your eyes for the prayer song. This verse from the Holy Bible. Today's Bible portion is taken from Psalm 23, verse 5. You prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies. You anoint my head with oil. My cup runs over. Amen. Now I call Harold to say Lord's Prayer. Our Father in heaven, Glory be your name. Your kingdom come. Your will be done. On earth. Now I call Nidarshan to deliver today's thought for the day. Good morning. Today's thought is peace cannot be captured by force. It can only achieved by understanding. Thank you. Now I call Deepika to say Tirukural for the day. வணக்கம். இந்திய திருக்குறள். வேண்டுதல் வேண்டாமை இல்லானடி சென்றான்க்கு அண்டும் இடும்பை இல்ல. நன்றி. Chennai here to present vocabulary for the day. Today's vocabulary is belief. B-E-L-I-E-F. Belief. Sentence. He has an unbreakable belief in God. Thank you. Hazel is here to present some interesting facts. Good morning everyone. Today's interesting facts of sharks do not have bones. Bees can fly higher than Mount Everest. Skin is the largest body organ. Thank you. Now I call and Rishana for an inspirational speech. Good morning. Here is an inspirational speech about never giving up for kids. Hello and Marthandam. I want to tell you a secret that will help you achieve your dreams and overcome obstacles. Are you ready? It's simple. Never give up. You know, when you are building a tall tower to blast, it keeps falling down. It's easy to get frustrated and easy to quit. But what if I told you every time you try again, you are getting too closer to building the tallest tower ever. Life is like that too. Sometimes things don't go as planned and we feel like giving up. But the truth is every mistake, every failure and brings us closer to success. Thank you. Now I call Agran to say a story. Good morning everybody. I'm telling the story of little seedling. A small seedling was planted in a garden. So weak and sad and a strong winds knocked at them. But remember, the sunshine and water, it seemed every day decided to keep growing. One day, wise old tree said, "You may be smart, but your roots are strong, your spirit is mighty." Little seedling believed in itself and grew up a beautiful flower, spreading joy and happiness. So, moral of the story is, no matter how small you are, believe in yourself and work hard and never give up. You can grow into something amazing. Thank you. Ananya is here to speak about Thomas Alva Edison. Good morning. Hello, young adventurers. Today I want to tell you an inspiring story about Thomas Alva Edison. Edison was a brilliant inventor who created many amazing things, his light bulb and phonograph. But What's even more amazing is determination and perseverance. Did you know that Edison tried over 10,000 times to invent the light bulb? Yes, 10,000 times, but he didn't give up. He kept trying and trying until he succeeded. Thank you. Jasino is here to speak about Albert Einstein. Hello, young adventurers. Today, I want to tell you about a great person named Albert Einstein. You know what's cool about Einstein? He didn't give up. Even when things got tough, Einstein was a curious kid. He loved to ask questions and learn new things. But Einstein didn't listen in school. Can you believe it? But Einstein didn't listen. He kept learning. He kept asking questions. He kept trying. And guess what? Became one of the smartest people in the world. Thank you. Now, friends, here to speak about Abraham Lincoln. Hello, young explorers. Today, I want to tell you about an amazing person named Abraham Lincoln. You know what's cool about Lincoln? He didn't give up. Even things got really tough. Lincoln grew up near Lago Gabon and very little farm agriculture, but he loved to read and write. He worked a mic to borrow books. Lincoln wanted to buy but he failed with the business. Lincoln wanted to be a politician but he failed first election. He even suffered nervous breakdown. But Lincoln didn't give up. He kept trying, kept learning, kept pushing forward. Thank you. Brianna is here to speak about Steve Jobs. Good morning to all. Today I want to tell about one person named Steve Jobs. You know what's cool about Jobs? Did not give up. Even when his got really tough. Tough as a doctor, tough as a college, and even when things fire on the own company. But he did not start it. He kept dreaming, had pussy forward, and guess what? He created some of the coolest things ever, like iPhone, iPad. Jobs said Chinese picture, so don't waste it. Someone in flight. So, what can you learn from Jobs? Thank you. Now I call my dear friends for the action song. Thank you. Have a happy